I am waiting for Jack to come bouncing through that doorway. Wait till you see him. Not quite as exciting as normal. He's looking for Grandpa. And here comes MJ and Kyla. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just finished tidying up the kitchen this morning and I've got a load of laundry going. Unfortunately, my office is so close to the laundry room, you could probably hear me doing laundry. And MJ's in the living room watching his cartoon. So I'm like, we'll just go in between where hopefully you can hear me. But today, I may dip some potato chips in chocolate. That might be my only thing that I do today as far as cooking or baking. Yesterday kind of did me and that took a little while, plus trying to be a grandma, so I was a little tired. But I do have a couple other projects that I think I want to get done. I am going to be filming my nighttime Christmas tour Friday evening, which is tomorrow, for me, and you guys are going to see it on Saturday. I'm super excited about that, and I'm trying to plan for that. I do have a few more decor pieces that I wanted to place around, just because that's what I love to do, and if I don't decorate something, I miss it. Yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing today. And I do need to do some wrapping. I'm not sure if I'm going to show that. I probably will. And also, oh, let me show you this ornament thing. If MJ is cooperating today, I think we're going to try and make this baby's print ornament with his hand. We found this at Marshall's. It's probably similar to like a salt dough thing, and it's $5. I have not opened it up to see exactly what was in there, but I was kind of hoping to have something like quick and easy and not have to make the salt dough and bake things. So let's open this up and see what it's about. Okay. So there's a ribbon and looks like something to make a hole. All right, what else we got in here? There's the little star cookie cutter. And that must be my form. Do not open foil bag until ready for use. Need impression material for approximately 1 minute. Okay. It's an air drawing thing. Whoop. If you can see that. This is kind of cool. We will see if he will allow us to do this later. Because I wanted to do something for his mom and dad with his little handprint this year. It's very overcast and I see we have a cloud bank coming our way. Say we may get some snow. I'll share with you guys if we do. But yeah, it's rolling in. There's Pup Pup wanting to play some Frisbee. Jack is going to be getting new Frisbees for Christmas. He has made tacos out of his current Frisbees, but he still wants us to throw them and he still chases them. He's so funny. Hi, Pup Pup. You ready? Ready? They don't fly very well. Oh, goodness. Okay, MJ hopefully is in a good mood and we're going to try that handprint thing. Shelby is here holding him, and I am going to just start. It said to line a flat surface with foil, so we're going to start with that.
What does Grandma have, buddy? Wow, it's so shiny.
Woo, pretty. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for a minute, and I have to knead this. This is approximately 1 minute, but the box said 2 to 3. So
oh, that's weird.
Fun. Fun details. Oh, maybe I need it in.
Oh, in that?
I don't think so. I think it needs to come out.
Okay.
It's hard to knead in that.
He's pulling himself.
Oh.
Okay, here, let me sit closer.
This kind of smells.
Ooh, fun.
Alright, so we're just going to kind of guess about the time. Alright, we're going to place it on the foil and roll. Alright, wet foot or wet in our hand, and we're going to press. Alright, let me come around and get him.
Okay. Do you want to do it on this side or that side?
I was going to go over there.
Okay. Got it?
I hope so.
Alright, I'll assist from this side.
Okay. Alright, I guess we're going to do this hand. So we're going to put it in his hand. He loves baths. Yay! And then we're going to place our hand. Uh-oh.
Maybe.
Down in.
Oh, yeah.
Did we get it? Oh,
yay!
Look how cute, MJ.
Good job, buddy. Those are some long fingers you got there, bud.
We're going to use the shaping tool to trim the edges. So we should probably have that at the point. Right? Do you see the water? I think that's cute. Try to get it all centered on there as best we can. All right. And I think we have to leave this like this. All right, then we have to make a hole for the ribbon right up here at the top. Leave completed print in shaping tool on foil to dry for 8 to 10 hours. Then carefully flip impression over to allow the bottom side to dry. Total drying time may take 2 to 3 days. And then put the ribbon in. So I think I can pull this part off, but I leave it in this.
Maybe so it doesn't try and like deflate or something.
Yeah.
Keep it shaped.
So, all right, there we go.
Yay!
I'll let you know how it turns out.
All right, we had a little bit left, so we've gotten creative.
Oh, come here, Papa.
Hi, Jack.
Hi. You gonna help Grandma out? We're gonna dip your paw. He's like, no. Come here, buddy. Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh,
We can do it.
oh, it was dirty.
It was a dirty paw. No, don't drink that. Good
Oh,
boy.
that's perfect.
Yes, that's Jack's paw. That's for
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, I know I said I'm not baking today, but technically this isn't baking. I had some extra chocolate and some potato chips and sprinkles. So I'm gonna dip the potato chips in the chocolate. All right, we're just going in. Just dipping it in there. Ooh.
Yum.
Oh my goodness.
That's gonna be so good.
I'm gonna tap the chocolate off. And I'm just gonna lay it on my little wax paper. I'm gonna do, I think 3, whoops, and then put some sprinkles on them. These are so pretty. I can imagine what they taste like, but they need to dry first. I'm just going to continue on and make as many that I have chocolate for or that would fit right here.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you.
These turned out so cute. What a cute gift they would make. I'm just putting them in this cute little container, and that way we can eat them, but not a lot at one time because oh my goodness, they are so good. All right, MJ just went down for a very rare afternoon nap, and I put my coats in the washing machine. They were getting a little embarrassing, and now I have a few extra minutes, and I wanted to share with you what my mom sent for MJ. They are so cute. She even sent bags and tissue paper so I can wrap them. So we're gonna do that right now since I have a few spare moments. But let me just show you what she got. We got this cute little moose, and he rattles. So cute. He doesn't have a name, so MJ will have to name him. But this guy has a name. His name is Oscar. How cute. He doesn't rattle, but oh my goodness, he is so plush and so soft. And I'm saving the best to last. I mean, these are all great, but wait till you see. And then she sent this little hoodie outfit with a cute little plaid on the inside and the plaid pocket. So cute. I don't even know where she got this stuff. The sizes are 80. That's what the size is. So we are not sure what that means, but how cute. Even on the little pant cuff, it's got that plaid. So he's definitely going to get a lot of wear out of this. All right, let me fix it so you don't see the best part yet. All right, this is the front. Super cute, right? Wait. Bear bum! How cute! I about died when I saw this. So sweet. So we're gonna wrap them up in the bags and tissue that she sent.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year.
It's still really dark outside, but we have not seen any snow yet. But on the plus side, my Christmas decorations look so good in here. The lights are shining so brightly. It really puts you in the Christmas spirit, especially if it does start to snow. We're kind of having a brown Christmas so far. This month has just been very dry for us, and we have not seen very much snow. All right, guys, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I have a very sleepy baby, and I need to figure out what we're going to be eating for dinner. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about